And it's like, I can't talk about it, can't show it, so it's finally like, here it is. So it's really great to be here. And it's so fitting to me to be out here on Woodward. You know, I come out here on weekends. I'm driving a Hellcat, so sorry if I kicked your butt. It's great because there's so much car passion and, you know, old Mopars, Chargers and Challengers and that running around. And it's that passion that people have for Mopars and for Dodge products, you know, historic vehicles, even late model vehicles that feeds us. You know, working with Tim and Russ and all the guys behind these cars, we feed off of that. We feel as a designer, it's awesome because we're so emotional about things. We're so visual. So to be out here on Woodward with all of these awesome Mopar products running around, it's very fitting that we're here. We're able to show this car here today.